Alright guys, today we're pulling the motor out of the fox body and we're going to take it apart, and today we're going to know if it's good or if it's complete garbage. So let's take it out.
Show 'em how to do it for feet.
And he said, yeah, the guy's, all he said is, he didn't say your name right. I said, yeah, he's my neighbor. I said, does he work on Mustangs? He said, yeah, that's my neighbor.
There it goes.
Yeah.
Now the converter puke.
Oh, yeah.
Hopefully it catches it.
Not much coming out, though. It's barely dribbling out.
There's nothing coming out.
Yeah. Must have been dry.
Oh my god.
What the? Quarter mile would be like 120 or one something. You got pretty quick. I was over there watching you start, and I was like, is he really quick? I saw you running the engine stand down the road. I'm like, is he really doing that? Like,
Yeah.
yeah.
Pretty. Takes a little bit of effort to get him out. This is exciting. This is a lot more exciting than building a really badass motor, in my opinion, because this has been through who knows what, and it looks good. It's kind of cool, you know. Please be good. Another one with really good signs. Really good sign that there might be nothing wrong with this thing. There's some drag there. There's some flash rust sitting there. Nothing that a light hone won't clean up enough to give us a little bit of sealing on the rings. Again, I'm not asking for anything crazy. The whole purpose of this build is to just have a bunch of fun. But guys, there's no major scoring so far. I know it's early into looking at it, but it is looking good. I didn't see anything on the pistons. That's why I'm saying that. I didn't see anything on the pistons that would be a giveaway of damage there. It's just mainly just flash rust. I mean, look guys, this is just terrible. It's super dirty. Needs to be hot tank about for 8 hours straight. And I've been wanting to do, like, actually I bought like 3 fox bodies before, And I've always wanted to actually finish a 5.3 build, not 5.3, but an LS build on one of them. And always something got in the way. This is a, which is the most incomplete part of the build is this. Everything's apart. But this is the furthest I've gotten to putting one together. So I'm going to go tomorrow to the machine shop and literally just drop that off and be like, just clean the crap out of it and do a light hone. And just like that, period. All right, guys. So you can see there's a bunch of parts on the table to include a turbo. So yes, this is everything that came out of the car. Look at these bearings, guys. The bearings, they all look amazing. Very, very good. I have no idea how many miles were on this thing, but there's clear signs that no debris or trash was going through the motor, at least not a high amount, because all the bearings look in very good condition. Main bearings, they all look exactly the same. So they all look very, very good. There is obviously some rust from just sitting. Kind of got to a channel on the mains, and it's just sitting there. So I am gonna order a set of new bearings. I'm gonna mic this and compare them, make sure that they are close enough so I can just reinstall them and be good to go. That is it for that. I ordered a gasket set through Temu, and it actually arrived, and it looks extremely good actually. And it matches the head gasket and all that stuff. Looks actually really good. The head gaskets actually are OEM from GM, even though I ordered from Temu. So if that says anything, kind of cool. So all the bolts, all the hardware is gonna get cleaned up and reinstalled. All right, guys. Obviously, we have a turbo here, and this thing came from my buddy Cesar. He had this thing in his house, and he said, "Dude, I have an FIS 7586 that was in my Cobra, and it might work for what you're doing." And I know he wanted me to run a modular motor on the Fox, but sorry, buddy, it's not happening. Running a 5.3, and this thing is a FIS unit. Talked to Jose, and he said this thing will make like 1,200, 1,300, I think he said. So that's plenty. If we want to, have this thing leaving the 800 horsepower or so, it's gonna be great. And if we have to turn it up and just have fun with it and break it, probably, you also do it. So this is great. We're gonna see about using a lot of the piping that I have here at the shop to finish the turbo kit and or just build a turbo kit. And let's see if Ryan from Low Profile Fabrication wants to help us with it. Hopefully, fingers crossed. And then if not, I'm gonna have to pull out my Temu welder and put it all together. So, but anyways, guys, that is it for the 5.3. The motor's at the machine shop getting a light hone, getting cleaned up, and new cam bearings. We have some parts for the assembly coming in. And one of the next videos will be assembling that motor, and I am so pumped.